So the Milton Parc Citizens Committee is a neighborhood community group that's involved in mobilization, education, and incubation of projects. And yeah, our organization is active in areas like housing, homelessness, food security, the environment, and the solidarity economy. Yeah, and we really believe in building community power through mobilization and participation as a way, to involve people in their neighborhood and to improve the neighborhood and to democratize decision making. So the green alleyways, they're all about making our neighborhood more sustainable by reducing heat islands, and also having more vegetation, and also making our neighborhoods safer more safer for pedestrians and for families. And it's inspiring because they're projects that come from the community. So it really starts with neighbors organizing together to make a petition to show that there's community support, and the municipality has an important role to play in financing and helping to create those projects. So it's a really great example of community and municipal collaboration. One of the major challenges is getting community support, especially for people who have cars, and especially for car owners who have parking spaces in the alleyways. So that can always be contentious, but I think it's really through education and through outreach and that I think like the vast majority of neighbors haven't got cars and don't have parking spots. So it's really in the interests of the majority. I would say that's the major challenge. And and then apart from that, I would say it's just going to do the outreach so that everyone feels included, and also a great thing that often happens is the actual planting is usually a community activity that neighbors are a part of.